Sit right back and watch this particular video till the end. Watch it to the end because there are some trick that if you don't get it right, you might end up not getting it right. Yes, if you don't watch it, you might end up not getting it right. So watch this video till the end. Now, this particular app I'm about to share with you is going to do a very big magic to your channel. Now you are new to YouTube, you don't have up to 1k subscriber, or maybe you have up to 1k subscriber but you still need more subscribers. Normal, this app is going to do a whole lot of things to you. Now I tried this out and it worked. In less than 3 days I was able to get over 1k subscriber. Now if you try this particular thing, I bet you that in less than 3 days you are going to get at least over 500 subscribers. Now another thing I'm going to say is this: you can make use of Google, you can make use of Chrome, you can make use of Safari, but whichever one you are making use of and it didn't work out, try another one. Let's say you're making use of Chrome and Chrome didn't work, please try Google or try Safari. All right, now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Chrome, Google, anyone, Safari. For me, I'll be using I'll be using Chrome because Chrome is actually what worked for me. I tried Google, I tried Safari, it didn't work out, so I'll be making use of Chrome. All right, now I'll just go ahead and click on my Chrome and allow it to load. So once it loads, the next thing I will do is to come to my search bar and type Opus Clip. Yes, this one, the second one, Opus Clip. So once I click on it, now the first one is also Opus Clip, but the thing there is you have to pay, you know, after 1 or 2 try. But the second one, which is YAI, is totally free. All right, so I'll just go ahead and click on it. All right, so once I click on it, it's load. Note that before you even get to this point, I forget to say it earlier, before you get to this point, you have to go to your YouTube. Now when you get to your YouTube, copy any of your video link. All right, purpose of this particular video, I'm just going to copy the link to this my video. So I'll click on share, then I'll click on copy link. So once you copy your link, come back to your Chrome. You can as well copy the link first before you get to this point. So once I come here, I'll just go ahead and paste that link. So once I paste the link, I'll click on this arrow and it will start loading. All right, now we'll give it some time and allow it to load up. As you can see, done loading up, this is what you will see. All right, if you're using Chrome, anyone you're using, you're actually going to see something like this. So once the video comes out, as you can see, this is the video link I copied, which says 1k subscriber in 7 days. All right, viral video secrets revealed. So I'll just go ahead and click on this place that says 1 click to grabs moments instantly. All right, so I'll just click on it. Now why you are seeing this is because I actually make use of my iPhone. I use my iPhone to do this, but this is a new account. Now for you that are just trying out for the first time, this is what you see. So the only thing you have to do is just click on this place that says continue with Google. All right, so once you click on it, you go ahead and choose any of your Google accounts, put in the password, and you are good to go. Okay, so once you are able to log in with your email address, then it will start loading up. As you can see here, it says we are processing your video. This won't take long, and truly it doesn't take long. It has finished processing already. So once it finished processing, what this will actually do now is that it will give you over 8 to 10 clips of that particular video. You understand? So let's say your long video is that kind of like 8 or 10-12 minutes long. What this Opus Clips will do that is that it will, like, you know, give you different, Jesus Christ. So as you can see, it has finished loading and this is what we get. Yes, now this actually gave us up to, I don't know, let me count. This actually gave us nine clips from that particular video. All right, now let's say you have a long video of about 10 to like 12 minutes. So what this site will do is that it will clip it will clip your video into smaller form or smaller shots. Yes, it will create a smaller shot for you. Okay, now this thing will not only create a smaller shot for you, it will also go ahead and give you viral title. It will go ahead and give you viral description, tags, keywords, like a whole lot of things. You don't even need to start stressing yourself. Okay, now you can see number one, and the title of number one says discover the simplicity of Meta AI on, let me allow it to load. Okay, on WhatsApp. Okay, now as you can see, and this is the description he gave. He said the presenter shared her preference for using Meta AI on WhatsApp due to its ease of navigation, and I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so this is number one viral clip that Opus Clips has given us. Okay, now this is number 2, number 3, up to number 9. Imagine making things really easy for you. So the next thing you do is maybe you can listen, you can take your time listening and all of that. So anyone you feel like downloading, you can download all of them if you want. You can download maybe some of them if you want to listen, and you feel like there is a particular one you want to download and there are some you don't want to download. That is all right. Okay, so after checking out, you feel like okay, everything is okay, you can actually download with the caption. In most cases, you can also download without the caption. Like me, if I download with the caption, is always good, but in most cases you can decide not to download. It just depends on the format of your video and all of that. So once everything is okay, now there is a secret I want to reveal to you. In some cases, if you're trying to download this and it refuses to download, all you do is just copy the link and then you use video downloader to download this straight to your gallery. Okay, but if you try it and it can also download directly from here, that is all good. So what I'll do is to click on this arrow, this download arrow. I'll click on it and it will export my video. All right, so I'm actually going to export it on let me export it on 1080. Yes, 1080 is okay. So I'll click on export. Okay, once I click on export, here it says ensure that the video you use complies with copyright law. By proceeding, you confirm that the original video is your own content. Yes, the video is my content, so I'm actually going to tick the box and click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, it will start exporting. Okay, it will start exporting. So it has finished exporting now, and this is where it says we are processing your moment. We will notify you when it is ready, and you can find it in library exported. Okay, so what I'll just have to do, instead of going to look for it and all of that, I'll just click on go to library. It will take me direct to my library. Okay, now you can see it is still exporting. So once it is done exporting, one thing I like about this wine export clip, Opus Clips, one thing I like about this one Opus Clips is that it is very fast. It's not those AI stuff that will keep you waiting for a longer period of time before you can actually do what you want to do and all of that. And another thing, note that any clip you have here expires in 3 days, so immediately you are able to do the things you want to do. You need to go ahead and download them to your phone gallery so that you don't end up losing them at the end of the day, because after 3 days it will expire, and that's all. That means you have to like come back again and start doing the entire process you did before. I don't know why this one is wasting time. So we're waiting for it to export, to finish exporting to my, I want to show you guys how you can download it directly, like download it directly to your gallery. Okay, so it is done. So as you can see, this is it. The next thing I'll just do is click on this arrow, allow it to load, and boom, file downloading. So I'll just click on it. I'll click on open. So once I click on open, this is it. I'll just play it a little bit. You see how good it is. As you can see how good this is. So once I do this, I'll just click on download. I don't know, depending on the phone you are using, you're actually going to see a different thing entirely. Okay, so you're going to see a different thing entirely. So I've downloaded it. As you can see, file downloaded. It has been downloaded to my gallery. Okay, it is now downloaded to my gallery. So this is the simple step you can do this. So once you are done doing this particular thing now, the next thing you just do is head over to your YouTube. Okay, now before you head over to your YouTube, make sure you copy the description. You can as well go ahead and give your video another description and all that, title and all that, but you can like know the title, know the description. You can copy it aside, but know the title. So you just come here, click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you click on shorts. Once you click on shorts, you go ahead and click on the video. All right, so as you can see, this is the video here. I actually exported it 2 times without knowing. So this is the video. You go ahead and, you know, position your video the way you want it to be. After you do that, you click on done. Okay, so once you click on done, allow it to load, and you export it, you upload it to your YouTube short. This my phone doesn't allow me to post on YouTube short. I can actually post normal YouTube video through here, but I cannot post YouTube short. So you just go ahead and, you know, post your video and you are good to go. All right, now this particular thing is actually going to help you. Now this particular thing is actually going to help you get lots of views. So imagine you are able to get, or you are able to Opus Clips is able to give you like 10 or 8 clips from your particular video. Now what you just do is you post all of them. While you post all of them, make sure that where you see altered content, make sure you choose no, it is not altered. Your content is not altered, except you use any form of AI stuff to, like, you know, create or edit your video. That is now when you can choose altered, that your video is altered. Then you see related video. Where you see related video, click on it, then choose that particular video, the video you just clipped into different pieces. Choose the long form of it, so that anybody that comes across your shorts, the person will click on it and be able to access the long form video. Now this will help you get more video views. Yes, it will help you get more video views, and it will help you get a lot of subscribers. All right, so imagine that out of every of your video, you're able to clip or get at least up to 8-10 clips from your own particular video, and you are posting it every blessed day. Imagine the kind of subscribers you'll be getting. So try this out and thank me later. And also do well to hit the subscribe button. Like I always say, it is totally free. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop amazing video like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. See you guys.